Here's how to clean the inside of the thumbsticks on the Switch 2 without taking them apart. I'll leave a product list in the description. Obviously, we want to remove them from the console itself. The reason you might want to do this is if any dirt or gunk gets stuck down on the inside here. If we look closely, there is a little membrane right there that goes over top of that, and you can actually kind of lift that up and look underneath inside. Down in there is where all of the sensors and moving pieces and whatnot are for the thumbstick. I'll use BW100, but you can use any electronic safe contact cleaner. And just kind of carefully holding the tip of this sprayer, we can get underneath this membrane. It's a little easier on Switch 1 Joy-Cons, but we still can get behind there. And then with that in there, we can spray that in. And then that will help irrigate out any mess or gunk or whatnot that you get stuck down in there. So what I like to do, once I spray it in there, is move that around, click it up and down, back and forth. The one thing we want to be careful of is this membrane here could easily get folded under. Wouldn't be a problem, it'd probably just work itself back out. Then we just want to make sure that that membrane is still setting down there like it should. It actually should kind of rest around this edge on top of it. It should be floating around the top like that, not be pinched or stuck down in there anywhere. That looks good. All right, good luck, and here's hoping these Joy-Cons don't have the same drift issue that the Switch 1 did.